Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic reflection series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqara. وَمَا تُقَدِّمُوا لِأَنفُسِكُم مِّنْ خَيْرٍ تَجِدُوهُ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ. Whatever good you send forward for yourselves, you will find it with Allah. This is verse 110. This verse addresses the fact that any good thoughts and deeds we do will always be beneficial. This is an encouragement to have good thoughts and deeds. So the first point of reflection is that the good deeds we do are never lost. Allah preserves them and rewards us for them. So we should never look at any good that we have done and feel it's insignificant, it's not of importance. The more we can do, the better. The second point of reflection is that we shouldn't think of any deed as being too insignificant to do, as the Prophet ﷺ told us to protect ourselves from the hellfire, even if it is with only a half of a date. So, giving something in charity, even if all you had to give was half of a date, it is rewardable. In fact, on one occasion, a woman came to Aisha, she had 2 children, and she was hungry. And Aisha looked to see what did they have in the house. She couldn't find anything but 3 dates. So she gave the mother the 3 dates. The mother gave 1 date to one of the girls, one of the children, and another date to another of the children. And then when she was about to put the third date in her mouth, and she looked at the children, she saw they had already eaten their dates. And they were looking at her date. So she split the dates into 2 and gave them to her children, half a date each. Aisha was amazed at this woman's care and concern for her children. And she told the story to the Prophet ﷺ. And the Prophet ﷺ affirmed to her that this woman would be among the people of paradise. So don't think that any good is too small. The third point of reflection is that even our good intentions are rewarded. Even if we don't do the good acts that we had intended. Just having that intention, we get a reward. If we do act on that intention, then our reward is 10 times. MashaAllah. This is the mercy of Allah, that He would multiply our deeds in such a manner. Barakallah feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.